Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation. I bought this from the Sephora app. Right now, it looks like it's 50% off, so I was able to get it for about $15. The shade I have is 4 Tan Ginger, and since I ordered it online, I'm really hoping it's a good color match, so we'll see today. But pretty much, I'm just going to apply the foundation today and give you all my thoughts on it. So I'm going to start off with putting some concealer and then I'll go ahead and apply the foundation and do the rest of my makeup off camera. So I've applied my concealer and here is the foundation. Again, the color is 4 Tan Ginger. And I'm going to use a brush to apply. Pretty liquidy. Maybe a little too light for my complexion. Maybe I can get it to blend. So it is definitely too light for my skin complexion. So now you know if your skin complexion is similar to mine, you may want to go a shade darker. So I just finished doing the rest of my makeup off camera, and this is my final look. It does seem like it oxidized a bit and got a little bit darker. I do think I can pull this shade off, but I will keep you up to date throughout the day to show you how the foundation wears on my face. The app says that this foundation is a natural looking matte foundation. It's full coverage and it's oil free. So that means it's good for oily and combination skin, which I do have. I have combination skin where I get oily right here and right here. So I just looked on the Sephora app to see what the next shade would be after the 4 Tan Ginger, and it looks like it's 4.15 Tan Sienna. But looking at the images, I do believe that that shade may be too deep for my skin complexion. So I guess my skin complexion falls in the middle between 4 and 4.15. So what I'm going to do is keep the 4 Tan Ginger and use a bronzer to help deepen the foundation and help it blend and look good overall. This is my 3-hour check-in, just showing you all how the foundation is holding up on my skin. Okay, so it's been about 6 hours and I'm just checking in again to show you what my face is looking like. You can see some of my oils are coming through, but this is normal for me for any foundation that I wear. I do get oily up here and right here. I do feel like the foundation does not feel heavy on my face. It's a full coverage foundation, but it feels lightweight. Hey guys, this is my final check-in for today. It's been about 8 hours and this is what my face is looking like with the foundation. I'm going to dim my light down so you can see what my face looks like with natural lighting. But what I'm going to do now is go ahead and wash my makeup off and reapply the foundation with a makeup beauty sponge and use some bronzer and show you how I'm able to get that shade to match with my skin complexion. I just washed my face and I'm going to go ahead and reapply the foundation, and I have my damp makeup sponge. I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty bronzer and my Laura Mercier setting powder. This time I won't use so much because I think this morning I just put too much on my face. And this is just a quick application where I didn't apply any primer or concealer, no brow pomade, no setting spray. I think adding the bronzer definitely helps. I did prefer applying it with a makeup sponge, so I would use that instead of a brush. I do think this is a good buy. I really hope this video was useful to you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.